Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this parallax effect using UE4 2.7 Niagara, and I have this planar, then this box, then I have a sphere and this cylinder. So you can see this crack has this 3D fill effect. So this is very easy. So let's start this tutorial. So basically for the box, this is my effect and I just duplicated it and placed it here for the box. Okay, this effect and this effect is same, exactly same. I have just copied it many times, rotated and made a box. Then I did something for sphere and cylinder, different things. But to create this, I have three emitters. First emitter is just this reflection plane, you can see, and then this emitter